Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to use some scrap pallet wood that I had laying around to build this cool wall shelf decoration. My cousin Keith inspired me to make this project with one that he made as a memorial for their dog. And also, if you like what you see in this video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel because I have brand new woodworking projects like this every single Friday, and every Wednesday I have a follow-up to these projects. Let's check it out. So when I cut these pallet boards off the pallet, I used my jigsaw, and that left some edges that weren't square. So I've squared up one end on each of them, and I want them all to be the same length. So I have this setup that's kind of weird. What I did was I didn't want to put a stop block here because I'm afraid that small cutoff will get trapped between the blade and get thrown back at me. So I clamped an extension onto my crosscut sled, and then clamped a rather large stop block onto that. I'd like to give everything a quick sand before I cut more pieces to assemble it. I would put it on the pieces of pine themselves, but I don't want to get glue where they're going to be exposed at. And these tacking nails to help hold this together so I don't really have to wait on the glue to dry. These two boards that I'm going to use for shelves on there, and with this one it's fine as it is. I just need to square up the ends by cutting a little bit off, and then this piece I'm just going to cut at a random length for another shelf. Alright, I've just marked out an angle here, and I'm going to use that to cut out just some little braces for the shelves. Trying something I've never tried before to attach these shelves all together. CA glue with regular wood glue. So they say that regular wood glue gives the project its strength, but the CA glue holds it together almost like a clamp. So I'm just putting a dot of glue on each end, some CA glue in the middle, and it'd probably be a lot better if I had some activator. Just hold it on for a few seconds. In case you don't know, woodworkers call super glue CA glue. It makes you sound like a real fucking craftsman.
Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw.
Still gonna give it plenty of time to dry. Alright, with that glue being technically dry, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and give it some protection with some spray lacquer.
Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw.
There's my pallet wall shelf decoration put up. It is done. Really like the finish I got on that. This is poplar, by the way. This is a really cool project, and it's one I kind of dove into, sort of one of those in-between paychecks projects. I'm really happy with how it came out, and I think it looks pretty nice and elegant up on the wall. And of course, having a wife to decorate it always helps things look nicer. Anyways, once again, if you like and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps with that sacred YouTube algorithm. Again, if you subscribe to this channel, I have brand new woodworking projects every Friday. Every Wednesday I have a follow-up on those projects. And also, I have started a new wood species basic series as well, so if you're a new woodworker and you want to learn about some more different types of wood that you might want to use, then you can check that out. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.